you in the snow fell while it went, shouldn't we? Alice! Dig it out or whatever.